Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, May 4th. I hope you guys had a great weekend and enjoyed some of the sunshine. For our decision making, we are on slide 28, and I will go ahead and read it to you. You see your best friend steal something from a peer's desk. Our three choices or solutions would be: number one, we talk to them about it and ask them to put it back. Number two, steal the item from your friend to put back on the student's desk. Or number three, tell the teacher that your friend stole something. So now with everything, we have a negative outcome and a positive outcome. So with your choices on the left of the screen and the right of the screen, for each situation, we're going to put the the positive first and then the negative outcome. So your positives are over here on the left-hand side of the screen. Your negatives are over here. So your positive, your friend will put the item back because they respect you and understand it's wrong. So you'll put that either with talk to them about it and ask them to put it back, steal the item from the friend and put it back in the student's desk, or tell the teacher your friend stole something. Same goes with this one. They will never know what your friend stole. They will never know that your friend stole something from the desk. The student will get the item back after talking to your friend. Negative consequences. Your friend will be mad at you for tattling. Your friend will not learn that stealing things is wrong. Your friend might be mad at you for wanting him to return the item. So go ahead and fill this out and talk to your supervisor or parent about what you would do in this situation. Make sure you log into Canvas and complete the work. Have a great day.